It's been a long time since it came around. It's been a long time, but I'm back in town. And this time I'm not living without you. You taste like whiskey when you kiss me. Oh, I'd give everything again to be your baby doll. Yeah, this time I'm not living without you. I said, sit back down where you belong, in the corner of my bar with your high heels on. Sit back down on the couch where we made love for the first time, and you said to me, something about this place. Something about these lonely nights and my lipstick on your face. Something about my cool Nebraska guy. Yeah, something about, baby, you and I.